Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and this is going to be the introduction for a number of videos as I go through my recent purchases. Basically, this is going to be me going through the paper pads, showing you what page kits I came up with because some people have requested it. So without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, let's talk Kaisercraft Tropics. So I have a bunch that I think for me read as travel, so they have a tropical feel to them, which they should given the name of the collection. So all of those that feel that way are just going to go in my travel iris bin, and then the rest of these are going to go in my normal stash. And let me show you the page kits that I've put together. So the first one is the floral with the tropical orange and then the blue tile. There's a term for it. I can't remember. Quatrefoil, that's what the term is. The second one uses that floral again, but this time I paired it with the pink crosses as well as the wood grain three-toned paper. Thought that would be kind of fun if you want to look at it that way. I did take one of the tiled papers and paired that up with an orange and turquoise. This looks like a wall from a building, and then with this geometric. So there's 4 papers. I did take the cut apart, paired that with the quatrefoil as well as the striped pattern and also the wood grain. So I think that will make a good travel page. And then the last page kit I put together is this multicolored stripe again with the orange and with this blue that has the floral piece down here at the bottom. And that is it for this paper pad. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, I had said that for this blush paper pad I wasn't going to make any kits or keep anything separate, but as I was pulling it apart I was inspired to create 2 kits. So the first one has this kind of tanny geometric, I don't know how well you can see that, and then I have this white and gold speckled along with this pink and pink floral that has this color in it. So those 3 go together. And then I included this as a backdrop, a base page, if you will, and also one of the cut apart sheets. So I won't use all these cut aparts with this layout, I know that for sure, but once I'm done with this I'll just cut the rest of this up and put it in with my journal pocket cards, that kind of thing. So that's kit number 1. The second kit, I have this sheet here. I just think this is so pretty, and I want to use this as a background page, either this way or this way, I'm not sure yet. And I really like this darker pink with that. I put another one of the cut aparts, and I had another one of these tan colored ones. So that is the second page kit. The rest are all just going to be separated between neutrals and pinks and then put in with my stash. Okay, so my desk is cleared for today. Stay tuned for the next video, going through another paper pad or some of the other supplies that I bought, and until next time, happy crafting and happy organizing.